Okay, so this is one of the originals, Stanley. Hi.
Hey.
And this is another original you've met 4 times already, Logan. And then here's a third wave member. And here's another unimportant third wave member.
I'm Joe.
And here's the final unimportant third wave member.
We're just unimportant now. All the originals are gonna die, and then we're gonna do the second wave. And then the other people are gonna die, and then we're gonna do the second wave.